Hey everybody, my name is David Call. I'm the agent at Ryan Everett Insurance, and I wanted to let you know we don't get this question as often as we should, but a lot of people want to know what's the difference between a named perils policy and an open perils policy. Well, there's a huge difference, and a lot of people don't understand that when they receive a quote from a home insurance company, they don't really say this is a named perils policy. There's a handful of companies that do that and the customer doesn't even know, but a named perils policy says we only cover these things listed on the policy. For example, a flood insurance policy only covers a flood. But more commonly, what you see is a named perils policy on a homeowner's quote, and it'll cover things like wind, hail, water damage, depending on what kind it is. Slow water leaks are not automatically covered. But anyway, there's just a lot more restrictions. So when you're comparing two policies side by side, make sure that you're comparing a named perils policy to an open perils policy. An open perils policy basically says we'll cover anything that happens to your home. The wording that they use is we cover direct physical damage or a direct physical loss to the property, excluding a few things like nuclear war, neglect, things like that. So whenever you get a chance, look at your policy. If you have any questions, let us know. But a lot of times people are comparing apples and oranges. They say, hey, I got a better rate on my home insurance. But if you look at it, it's actually a different policy altogether. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're here to help you.